In this method, we are going to learn a new method which is called cross multiplication method. So here I have written two equations. The first one is 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Here you can see that in my both the equations the right hand side is equal to 0. So we are going to learn this method with this, keeping this in mind that the linear equation should be in standard form, and that means everything in left hand side and right hand side should be equal to 0. Now here I am going to ask you to learn a particular number. Okay, I am writing a number here 2312. So now what we are going to do here is I am going to write the coefficients from these two equations of second place. Second place पे क्या है, y है. थर्ड प्लेस पे क्या है, कांस्टेंट है. और फर्स्ट प्लेस पे क्या है, x है. सो सेकेंड प्लेस पे y के कोफिशिएंट्स क्या हैं. y का कोफिशिएंट इज +1 हियर एंड -2 हियर. सो +1 and -2. Then I have to write the coefficients at third place. That means the constant terms. So constant terms are +4 and +4. I am keeping the symbols with this. Then I have to write the coefficients at first place. The first place is 3 and 6. So since it is positive, you can write this way also. And then again at second place, so second place is +1 and -2. You can copy from here also. So this is the first step. Now in the second step, I am making the solid arrow in the downward direction and dotted arrow in the upward direction. See this way. Right, now I am writing in between the first and second number. I am writing the variable. The first variable is x. In between the second and third number, I am writing y, and in between the third and fourth number, I am writing constant, and that has to be 1 always, right? And in between we have equal to symbol. So this is just a method to learn how to get the answer using cross multiplication method. Now x upon, जब हम सॉलिड एरो कह रहे हैं तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू नंबर्स. सो +1 इंटू +4 एंड माइनस में डॉटेड एरो की मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो -2 इंटू 4. यू कैन राइट दिस एज 4 ऑल्सो इफ़ यू हैव कन्फ्यूजन विद द सिंबल. देन सेकेंड इज इक्वल टू y अपॉन 4 इंटू 6 सॉलिड एरो की मल्टीप्लिकेशन माइनस डॉटेड एरो की मल्टीप्लिकेशन 4 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन सॉलिड एरो की मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3 इंटू -2 माइनस 6 इंटू 1 डॉटेड एरो की मल्टीप्लिकेशन 6 इंटू 1. नाउ x अपॉन 1 इंटू 4 इज़ 4 माइनस ऑफ 8. सो आई एम राइटिंग +8 इज इक्वल टू y अपॉन 4 6 ज़ा 24 माइनस 4 3 ज़ा 12 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन -6 -6. नाउ यू जस्ट नीड टू सिंप्लीफाई. So x upon 12 is equal to y upon 12 is equal to 1 upon -12. Right? So now you compare the first and last and the second and last. So x by 12 is equal to -1 by 12. So 12 से 12 cancel. x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, -1. Right? जब हम सेकेंड एंड थर्ड को कंपेयर करेंगे तो y by 12 is equal to 1 upon -12. सो 12 से 12 अगेन कैंसिल. y की वैल्यू भी क्या आ गई, -1. एंड नाउ यू कैन क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर वेदर यू आर गेटिंग x इज इक्वल टू -1 एंड y इज इक्वल टू -1 इज करेक्ट और नॉट. सो लेट अस पुट इट इनटू द इक्वेशन. सो 3 इंटू -1 प्लस y की वैल्यू -1 प्लस 4. आंसर क्या आएगा, -3 -1 प्लस 4, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 विच इज़ RHS. So I started with LHS and I have got RHS. That means I have verified my answer. So this is the very important number which I need to remember for my cross multiplication method. 2 3 1 2. हमें करना क्या है, हमें सेकेंड प्लेस के कोफिशिएंट्स लिखने हैं, फिर थर्ड प्लेस के लिखने हैं, फिर फर्स्ट प्लेस के लिखने हैं, फिर से सेकेंड प्लेस के लिखने हैं. उसके बाद सॉलिड एरो इन दी डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, डॉटेड एरो इन दी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. उसके बाद फर्स्ट वेरिएबल जो यहाँ लिखा है वो कॉपी कर दिया, इज इक्वल टू सेकेंड वेरिएबल कॉपी कर दिया, इज इक्वल टू 1 ऑलवेज, एंड देन इट इज़ नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन. आई विल टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. Now see, I have written one more pair of linear equation. Again in standard form, right hand side is equal to 0. Now the number was 2, 3, 1, 2. So we'll write the constants accordingly. So second place minus 3, minus 3. Third place 1, minus 1. Then again first place 4, 2. And then second place minus 3, minus 3. Then solid arrow in the downward direction, dotted arrow in the upward direction, right? Then first and second के बीच में first variable x is equal to second and third के बीच में second variable y is equal to last is constant which is 1. So x upon minus 3 into minus 1 solid arrow की multiplication minus dotted arrow की multiplication minus 3 into 1 is equal to y upon 1 into 2 minus minus 1 into 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 into minus 3 solid arrow की multiplication minus 2 into minus 3 dotted arrow की multiplication. So x upon 3 plus minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Then we have y upon 2 minus of minus plus 4 is equal to 1 upon minus 12 minus plus 6. So x upon 6 is equal to y upon 6 is equal to 1 upon minus 6. Now again you compare first and last. x by 6 की वैल्यू 1 by minus 6, तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी minus 1. Now you compare these two terms. y by 6 is equal to 1 by minus 6, तो y की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी minus 1. बिकॉज अगर हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो 1 upon minus 1 आएगा. So y की वैल्यू minus 1. So x is also minus 1 and y is also minus 1. Let us check by putting it back into the equation. 4 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. This is your LHS. So minus 4 plus 3 plus 1. Answer क्या आ जाएगा 0 which is equal to RHS. Hence my answer is verified. So remember the number 2312. Write the coefficients with the standard form of linear equation as this. Remember, there is something which is very important to note here. If you keep your constants in the right hand side, then 1 is to be replaced by minus 1. But we are not discussing that method, as we have to keep one method in mind, and the method is keeping the constants in the left, keeping the zeros in the right in the standard form, and using x, y and 1 in the question.